everybody doing? This is Jeremiah
Ashley.
with Hill Shadows. I hope you guys are doing alright. We weren't able to upload anything last week. We had some trouble with some files on the SD card. So we got that out of the way, got a new one, so we're going to be getting some more stuff as soon as we can to you guys. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button if you're into the strange, unusual, unexplainable, and paranormal. That's what we cover here. And if you want to contact us, please shoot us an email to hillshadowsky@yahoo.com. Share your experience. We'd love to share your story. We actually just got an email from someone, and I'm going to share that now. This comes from New York State, and it's from Rick Ruker. Thank you for submitting an email, Rick. I'm going to share this real quick. It says, I just found your YouTube channel. It's a short story. It happened 4 days ago. Real recent. There was a yellow orb, which he explained was more of a gold color, about the size of a volleyball, maybe a bit smaller than that, but you get the idea. Anyways, the orb is going kind of up like a slant, like a NASA spaceship. I saw it for a brief second. The reason it caught my eye was the color. It disappeared behind a tree branch. As I'm still watching it, the yellow orb did not reappear after the leaf, so just before it took to the left, the orb reappears, moves kind of fast between the tree branches. Before I knew it, the orb was not even 17 feet away in an open, clear sky above my neighbor's trailer. I'm dumbfounded to this day. All I can say is it's yellow, it was blinking like a firefly or a strobe light, but bigger, and inside the yellow blinking orb was nothing. I repeat, nothing was in the orb. Crazy. Just the color that I could see, and the crazy part is after that disappeared, I said to myself, whispering, come on, show your face. It was the next street over behind the trailers. So in their backyard, moving in a straight line, we had trees bunched up together, and there was a blinking light moving past the trees. This time it was moving about, it was about 10 p.m. at night when this occurred. And evidently it was Game 3 with Boston versus Golden State. There's a time reference to when this happened. Thanks for sharing that, Rick. I think it's interesting because the orbs always come up with nearly anything you discuss with the paranormal. Bigfoot, there's usually orbs tied in with Bigfoot sightings, right?
Seems like it, yeah.
And also, people see things in the sky, and I believe a lot of people refer to these as spirit orbs. And as you mentioned to me, Rick, the different colors actually can mean different things. And I believe in yours particular was a gold color, and I think that means some kind of sign of protection. It's definitely a positive thing. And we may get into that topic more in detail. We just wanted to touch base with you guys and share that email and encourage anybody else to please submit emails, and we look forward to sharing, and we thank you for sharing yours, Rick. You're the first one to share, and that means a lot, so we appreciate you. Hit the like button. Like I said, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, subscribe. We're going to be going to some pretty cool places this week and filming, and also I recorded something outside the night before last, 2 nights ago, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. We had put a video up previously of some sounds I recorded back here. I got some really interesting stuff. It's probably about a minute and a half to 2 minutes long, so I'm going to let that roll for you guys. You want to add anything before I wrap this up?
I don't suppose. No?
Well, we'll be doing our podcast this weekend, as always. Every Saturday we're going to have a new one up, so you guys make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that. And as I said, if you want to contact us, it's as easy as hillshadowsky@yahoo.com. We look forward to those emails pouring in, and hope you guys enjoy this video. If you got any idea, I know there's obviously coyotes in it, but if you hear anything else that sounds interesting,
There's something else.
there's definitely
it continued
something
to
else.
Make, there was more sounds after what you recorded as
Right.
well. So it kept going for a little bit.
Oh yeah, from the
Even
time I
after.
heard it, once I started recording, it's still, the sound persisted for around a minute after I started recording. So
Yeah, but it wasn't as like chaotic.
Right. Yeah, I
Like
did
it was
catch
more.
the peak of it. Though.
Yeah, it was more isolated sounds. Like
But I think you guys will enjoy it.
yeah.
For sure. I mean, we always hear the coyotes. It's not anything new. But the intensity of this and the number of coyotes, which sounds like would be yelling, is pretty crazy. So you guys check it out. Leave comments if you got anything you want to add, or maybe you see something we don't see or hear something we didn't hear. You know, let us know. We'll take a look at it. But you guys enjoy it. Have a good week. Stay cool out there, and we'll see you this weekend. Shh. I'm recording. What in the world?
That's a coyote. What is that?
Alright. Tell your mom to come out here. Crazy sound. Got the dogs going crazy out here. It's so hot out here, guys. I mean, it's 10 o'clock at night and it's still, I think, close to 100 degrees. And my crazy bug got a fire going right. Oh, that was wild.
Something came through. He's leaving out too. What is happening?
It's coyotes, man.
Yeah, there's coyotes. Like the thing is, before those sirens started going.
Those aren't sirens.
Yes, they are. What the hell was that? What is that? It sounds like a siren.
No, man, that's what I got on tape. I recorded the other night, too. It's back in the forest back there. And the thing is, before all that started, I heard like a wood knock from pretty far away.